welcome back to my channel. Ignore this weird looking sub. I'm making my own. For my lunch, so anyways, we're just gonna rip that open right there.
Ripperoni.
And we're gonna add some mayo. Wow, someone really likes mayo in here. Okay, I thought there was a piece of hair in there. I almost like barfed a whole entire river. Okay, look at it. I can't even see. Oopsies.
Well, okay, move yours onto.
Okay, what's that noise? It's like really annoying.
Well, the other worker is putting the other sandwich into the thing. So.
Yeah, someone just bought a Subway and we're sub gals. I mean, we're sub highway. I don't know. Anyways, we put our mayo on, and now we have to.
One of our workers are being really clumsy.
One of our workers in training just like dropped a bunch of stuff because they don't know what they're doing. Okay. And I need to grab our ham. This is plenty to go around. Let's see, we're just gonna do some cool stuff. Hold up, guys. I'll get. Okay, I got some lettuce. Now we're just gonna lay it down like so. Okay, this is a lot. I don't know what we're doing here. Oh, and we forgot our cheese. Can you get some cheese, Olivia?
Sure.
This is what employee in training did for her treat.
Which one do you want?
The orange one. What the heck is this? No, I need a solid one.
Ow! There is no salt. That's the only one.
Okay.
My boss doesn't know how to make it. I'm the employee in training and I'm better at this.
Okay, employee in training is getting fired.
Don't be shy. You could. You're like mine.
Okay, I'll be back once I get the cheese ready because the employee didn't restock the cheese. Great. Back. Employee in training over here is just like really being annoying right now with the.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm not talking to you. There's more than one employee in training.
Okay.
Anyways, look how beautiful this sub is. If you ever try this pepper.
Don't be shy.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this pepper. This isn't a pepper. This is a jalapeno. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Something is spicy. Now that we cut it.
Oh my god, my lunch tomorrow looks so good.
I'm excited.